Good day. I am Christian A. Acantilado, 23 years old, and a proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry from Caraga State University Main Campus, class of 2026. Throughout my academic journey, I've consistently strived for excellence, graduating cum laude, being a dean's lister every semester, and completing senior high school with high honors. My university years were not just only about grades, but also about growth. I actively led youth community initiatives as the parish youth president in the year 2023 to 2026 and served as a diocesan youth formator in the year 2024. Prior to that, I was a chapel youth president in the year 2020 to 2023, where I organized local programs and spiritual activities. My passion for storytelling and communication began early. I was a student campus journalist working as a sports writer in elementary and later a scriptwriter for a Filipino radio broadcasting team in high school. These experiences had led me to various recognitions such as 7th place in radio broadcasting in the year 2019, 5th place in the overall vlog production in the year 2020, and the Campus Journalism Excellence Award in the year 2021. I also competed in Filipino sports writing events in the year 2015. Beyond writing, I celebrate culture. I was a former member of our school's official folk dance team way back in elementary. Through a combination of academic discipline, leadership experience, and a heart for service, I bring dedication, creativity, and integrity to every opportunity. I am excited to contribute to environments that value growth, community, and impact. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to connecting with you soon.